In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do calf raises on a stability or yoga ball. Now, firstly, what would be the point of doing calf raises with a stability or yoga ball? Well, firstly, a lot of people, when they come into a calf raise, they actually come into a position where they start off really nice with the feet pointing forwards. Watch my position, they start to do this. They start to come forwards in the motion. Now, the stability ball acts as a prop, basically, to stop that movement. So it means that if I lean forwards right now, what's going to happen is I'm going to go into the stability or yoga ball, and that's actually going to throw me back. So I'd lose balance straight away. And it's a nice one to get people to be able to do the calf raise up and down without actually cheating and coming forwards. So firstly, I'm going to come into this position, feet pointing forwards. And then from here, I'm going to come into my calf raise and back down, calf raise and back down. You'd repeat this for the desired repetitions. If I show you me trying to come forwards in that range of motion, so if I'm here and I try to come forwards, I'm going to completely lose balance straight away. I can't really fight the resistance of the ball. So it's a nice one to get people to get their calf raises completely up and down neutral, as opposed to falling forward frontal with the body.